Yo, what's up? Welcome back. It's your boy BrandonJay. I know I've been gone for a minute. I've been having a lot of things that I'm working out, trying to get ready so I can keep bringing you guys great content. But today, we're going to unbox the Loupedeck. I finally got it, man. I've been waiting on this for a long time. The Loupedeck Plus. That's what this is, the Loupedeck Plus. So with that being said, man, let's just hop right into the unboxing. I haven't even opened it. I haven't even not opened it. Opened it is not a word. I have yet to open it. I just picked it up, just got it today, and I'm finna give it a shot, man. I'm going for it. Let's open her up. Oh man. Break the seal. This is an unboxing, not a review. I haven't even used it yet, man. I ain't even played with it. So I'm excited to get it unboxed. Whoo! Beautiful. So before we even take it out, we have all this and all of its glory. So I'm excited, man. Let's get it out. Okay, I see. We can get it out right here. Well, the buttons aren't clicky or anything like that, but they feel good. The control dial is clicky. Can you guys hear that? Yeah, and it's got a quick export button. That's gonna be nice. It's kind of like plasticky, but not too bad. Let's see what we got here. Oh man, what is this? Oh man, let's see what they talking about, man. I need y'all to go check out my other video, man. I unboxed the razor, which is, I don't know if you guys can see it. Probably not. It's not in the frame anywhere, but I'm going to put a link up in the corner, in one of these corners. Go check out my Razor Blade 15 Studio Edition unboxing. Pretty soon, we're going to do I'll do a YouTube studio tour, if y'all interested. You know what I mean? What do we have here? Let me know if y'all like these unboxings, man. I think this is number 3 that's gonna be on the channel. I unboxed the razor, the RAM, and the storage update. I got another unboxing video coming for the MX Master 3. We're gonna get that joint unboxed, and that should be nice. But anyway, let's hop back into this Loupedeck. What we got here? Put all this stuff back up. I guess I could follow order. Put it back in how it's supposed to be. Oh man, y'all hear my fans ramping up in the computer? Shit. Let the computer get hot. Okay, anyway. Let's see what we got here. Oh, this is just a regular USB 2.0. But it's got a nice packaging. I like that. Makes it feel premium. So I can sit here. Photos, videos, turned up to 10. Edit game on 10. Look, I'm telling y'all, man. This is gonna be a game changer for me, man. So I'm excited to play with this, mess around with it, see how it fits into my workflow, and then from there, I'll let y'all know what it is, man. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. Make sure you hit that like, share, subscribe button. BrandonJay, the GOTEM podcast. BrandonJay, the GOTEM vlogs.